Namaste. We are all living in the middle of COVID situation. We are all wearing masks, maintaining social distance, and trying to stay safe. Rightfully, continue to do so. We should also focus on increasing our physical activities and combat external infections. This will strengthen our respiratory system and relaxes the whole body and mind. At Bridge Health, we have included different dimensions of breathing practices, asanas, pranayama, to remove the symptoms that may adversely affect our. Welcome to an integrated yoga module to boost our immunity power and fight corona. ॐ सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Gently take your both the hands backward. Slowly inhale, look up. Exhale, bend forward. Surrender to Mother Earth. Salute to Almighty. Again inhale, come up. Rub your palms nicely. Put on your eyes and facial muscles. Give a nice massage. Once again rub your palms. Put on your hands, chest and all over the body. And look at your palm. Shithilekarana Vyayama, spinal twisting. Separate your legs about 2 feet apart. Raise your both the arms up sidewise and fold your hands at the elbows. Inhale and exhale. Twist your right side and inhale and exhaling left side. Continue the practice at your own pace. Gently slow down the practice. Come to center. Drop your hands down. Come back to Sthiti Tadasana. Now relax in Shitila Tadasana. Observe the changes. Next practice, backward forward bending. Join your legs together. Come to Sthiti Tadasana. Inhale, lift your both the arms up, bend backward. Exhale, swing your arms, bend forward. Continue the practice for few more rounds. Gently stop the practice. Come to Sthiti Tadasana. Relax in Shitila Tadasana. Observe the changes. Hands in and out breathing. Raise your both the arms in front of you, palms facing each other. Inhale, spread your arms sidewise, expand your chest. Exhale, bring your arms back to the center. Continue the practice of hands in and out breathing at your own pace. Gently drop your hands down and come back to Shitila Tadasana. Observe the changes. Hand stretch breathing. Come to Sthiti Tadasana. Interlock your fingers. Place your palms on the chest. Inhale, stretch your hands in front of you 90 degrees. Exhale, bring back. Continue the same practice at your own pace. Gently drop your hands down. Second variation is 135 degrees. On the forehead level, you have to stretch the hands. Inhale, stretch your hands. Exhale, bring back. Inhale, 135 degree angle. Exhaling, bring back your hands. Continue the same practice for few more rounds. Drop your hands down and relax in Shitala Tadasana. Third variation is 180 degree vertical stretch. Again, bring your hands on the chest, interlocking. Inhale, 180 degree angle. Exhale, bring back to the chest. Continue for a few more rounds. Gently stop the practice, release your hands and come to Shitala Tadasana. Observe the changes. Matsyasana practice. Come to Sthiti in supine position. Stretch your arms above the head, join your feet together. Now slowly bring your both the hands down by the sides of your legs. Gently fold your both the legs one by one to adopt Padmasana. Now take the hand support either sides of your head. Inhale, lift your body and place the crown of the head on the floor. And slowly release your hands and hold your big toes by the respective palms. Be there for few more seconds. Breathe in and breathe out. After few rounds, take the hand support, slowly release your head and release your legs one by one. Come back to Shavasana. Relax. Sulabha Matsyasana. For those who can't practice Matsyasana, can practice Sulabha Matsyasana. Come to Sthiti in supine position. Slowly taking the hand support, lift your upper body up. Place your crown of the head on the floor and place your elbows on the floor. Maintain the normal breathing. Slowly release your upper body. Don't open the eyes. Relax in Shavasana position. Relax for a few seconds.